Hey there, skiers and riders. This is Jen coming to you from the Stone Bar Trail here at Gunstock Mountain Resort. Today is Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022. 2/22/22. Today's report is brought to you by Lakes Region Disabled Sports, a nonprofit dedicated to helping individuals with disabilities experience recreation and fitness in a safe, supportive, and fun environment here at Gunstock. Their one and only fundraiser, Party on the Snow, is coming up on March 12th. A donation and attendance at the event includes a lift ticket, continental breakfast, and lunch. Folks wear costumes and win prizes. If you can't make it to the event, please consider donating to this great cause at lradaptive.org/partyonthesnow. We've got a warm front with some icky weather on the way for this evening, but it looks like it'll move out quickly. The big story for the coming week is that we have a snowstorm coming Thursday night that will likely hang around throughout the day on Friday and could leave us with up to a foot of fresh powder for the weekend. Can I get a whoop whoop? Whoop whoop. We're into a bustling February vacation here at Gunstock. During this week, lifts open at 8 a.m. every day, so we get an extra hour on snow in the morning. Reminder to midweek season pass holders, blackout dates are February 19th to 27th. But you'll be all set to head up to the mountain next week for New Hampshire vacation. We want to also remind folks that we're limiting capacity this winter and that lift tickets do sell out, so be sure to plan well ahead and book your lift tickets, rentals, and tubing online in advance. Gunstock's live music series is happening every Saturday in the Pistol Pub. This weekend, Charlie Chronopoulos will provide the soundtrack to your opera at the Pistol Balcony from 3 to 6 p.m. Stoneface Brewing Company will also be here with fun and swag. Gunstock Parks will be hosting the final USASA Slopestyle competition of the season on Sunday, February 27th. We'll have some of New England's best young freestyle skiers and riders battling it out for sweet prizes. Register to compete or just come hang out with us and watch the fun go down. Head to our events calendar at gunstock.com for more information. Happening every Monday is Belknap County Monday. Residents who show proof of residency will receive 2 lift tickets for the price of 1, 2 cross-country tickets for the price of 1, and if they're season pass holders already, they can purchase a half-price lift ticket for a buddy. More information can be found on our events calendar at gunstock.com. There are still a few spots available for the next Ladies Love Winter Ski Workshop on February 28th and March 1st. Join other female skiers for this women's-only program where you will learn new techniques, test out new equipment, gain confidence, and tear it up. Skiers only, with ability levels from lower intermediate through advanced. This popular clinic sells out fast, so sign up and reserve your spot at gunstock.com. Bring the munchkins up to the mountain on Wednesday, March 2nd for the annual Meister Cup, hosted by Gunstock Ski Club. This is a fun and free race for all kids ages 7 and under. No racing experience or special equipment is required. This race is just for fun. There will be awards, and each participant will receive a free t-shirt and hot cocoa. While you're here warming up and refueling in the historic lodge, bags must be checked downstairs in the stone cellar using our free bag check. Any bags left out will be moved. As always, we want to remind you to protect our season. We're not enforcing masks this winter, but we do strongly suggest that you wear your mask, practice physical distancing, and wash and sanitize your paws on a regular basis. This is Jen coming to you from Gunstock Mountain Resort, reminding you to embrace the chill. Have fun out there.